Today I'm going to teach you how to add space between letters in Affinity Designer. This is a really useful technique for adjusting the readability and visual appeal of your text elements, whether you're working on logos, posters, or any other design project. Let's get started. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll want to open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This gives you the canvas you need to start adjusting your text elements. Now click on the text you want to add space to. This selection is crucial because it tells Affinity Designer exactly which text element you want to modify. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around your text. Next, head up to the top toolbar and click on Window. This will open a drop-down menu with various panel options available in Affinity Designer. From this menu, select Text and then click on Character. This opens up the Character panel, which is your control center for all text formatting options, including the letter spacing we're about to adjust. In the right panel that appears, navigate to the Tracking option. Tracking is the technical term for adjusting the space between letters uniformly across your selected text. Once you've located Tracking, you'll see up and down buttons next to it. Click these buttons to adjust the letter spacing to your preference. Clicking the Up button increases the space between letters, making your text more spread out and airy, while clicking the Down button decreases the space, bringing the letters closer together for a more compact look. You can click multiple times to fine-tune the spacing until it looks exactly how you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the letter spacing in Affinity Designer using the tracking feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.